So this will be a different video from me. Today I decided to make some lip balm for friends and family. So I just figured that I show you how to do this. So this will not be a jewelry tutorial. For this video you will need some sort of glass or a jar or something. You will need coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, vitamin E, and some taste for your lip balm. And of course you will need tubes and some sort of syringes. The first thing you will do is to measure up 1 tablespoon of beeswax and 1 tablespoon of shea butter and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and you will melt that together. Now I have melted my oils and I use the microwave and I put it on 15 seconds. Then I open it and shake it a bit. And when you do it in the microwave, you have to do it partly because the oils cannot get too hot. So now the oils are melted completely, you can see that. And now we're gonna put some vitamin E into this. And I actually did a double batch, so I used 2 teaspoons of all the oils. And here's my E vitamin. And you will need 3 milliliter of E vitamin. So I take one of my syringes and there are measurements on it, so you know how much it is. And here I have about 2, so I'm just going to pour that in there. Then we're gonna stir. And you see the oil's getting cold pretty fast. So I'm gonna take this to the microwave and melt it some more. Now we're gonna put some peppermint oil in, and this is strong. You can use quite a lot if you like, but I'm just gonna put some drops in it because the recipe that I had said 10 to 20 drops. That's really a lot of peppermint oil. Now you're going to prepare your tubes. Make sure they're screwed down to the bottom. I don't know how many this will take. Probably have to get a few more tubes, it looks like. I thought the recipe was for 2 lip balms, but here we go. This is messy, so remember to have paper towels handy. You fill it all the way up, and then you wait a while because it will sink and the bubbles will come up. So you put the last drop on later. Oh, it didn't quite reach 4. It looked like more, but this is how you do it. And then you just put the caps on and you put it aside until it cools down. And you will have a very good lip balm. There you go. Very easy to make, and it doesn't take a lot of time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.